This is the Megaminx 3x3 and this is the Megaminx 2x2. For today's video, I am going to show you on how to solve the Megaminx 2x2. If you want to learn, please watch the full video. Hello cubers and non-cubers, welcome back to my channel. This is my alter ego. For today's video, I am going to show you on how to solve the Megaminx 2x2. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to get updated of my next videos. This is the Megaminx 2x2 and this is the Megaminx 3x3. As you can see, the Megaminx 2x2, there are no edges. These are the edges of Megaminx 3x3. It also have a center. But for Megaminx 2x2, there is no center. First is we have to scramble the 2x2. We can rotate this either counterclockwise and clockwise. As you can see, the Megaminx 2x2 is already been scrambled. First step is we have to look for our base color. For this video, we are going to focus on red, blue, and white. We have to solve first the red. We have to look for the blue, red. Then we are going to look for the colors that have this blue, red. Blue, red. Blue, red is here. Then we are going to rotate. This is not the correct orientation. We have to do this thing. As of this moment, we already have the blue, red. The next thing that we are going to solve is the white, blue. Then we are going to look for white, blue. White, blue is here. We are going to rotate. Then put it here. Wrong orientation. We have to rotate. Wrong orientation. This is the correct orientation. White, blue. White, blue, white, blue. The next thing is we have to look for yellow, blue. Yellow, blue is here. There we have to rotate. Then down. This is not the correct orientation. We have to twist. Not the correct orientation. This is the correct orientation. Yellow, blue. Then the next thing, we have to look for the green, blue. Green, blue is here. Don't mind the pink. We already have this green, blue. As of this time, we already solved the blue color. Then, the next step is we have to look for on this side. We have to solve on this side. First, this thing is already in correct position. Green, pink. We have to look for another pink, red. The color of this one should be pink, red, same as this one, pink and red. Pink and red is here. This is not the correct orientation. We have to rotate. This is not the correct orientation. We have to rotate again. This is the correct orientation. Then we have to look for the pink. It's the pink cream. See? So we already solved the pink color. This is the blue color, our baseline. The next is we have to solve the red. We have to look for the red white. Red white is here. Rotate. Rock orientation. Rock orientation. This is what we are looking for, white red. The next step is we have to look for the red cream color. I think this is the color. Then we have to do the twist. Red, pink, green. We already solved the blue, pink, and red. The next thing is we have to solve on this side, white. White, green, and white, purple. We have to look for this one. This is the white, green. This is on the other side. We have to bring it up, turn to the left, down. It's not the correct orientation. Then we have to twist this side. Up, right, down. We have to solve the blue, pink, red, and white. Next thing is we have to solve the yellow. Yellow, green is here. We have to look for another yellow. This is the yellow. We have to bring it here. How? By twisting this to the in clockwise. Bring it up. Counterclockwise, then down. We also solve this one, the yellow color. The next thing is we have to solve the green. We have to look for the green. The green is here. So we have to use the same algorithm. Turn clockwise, up, counterclockwise, then down. As of this moment, we already solved majority of the color, as you can see. Then the next thing, we have to solve the last layer. First, we have to find the correct corner. We have to do a scramble using this algorithm with a 3x3. For this example, we already solved this one. Then what we need is to have this correct orientation on the four sides. This is correct. So we are going to do the algorithm on 3x3. Bring it back. This is correct. This is correct. This is wrong, wrong, and wrong orientation. So we have to do it again. Correct. Wrong, wrong, wrong. We have to do it again. Correct, correct, wrong, wrong, wrong. Again, you have to scramble the top layer. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct, and this is the correct orientation. And also for this one. The next thing is we have to do the algorithm on the 3x3. We have to rotate this color in correct orientation. The blue side should be here, the green side should be here, and then the cream color should be here. What we are going to do, we are going to use this algorithm. 4 movements. Down, left, up, right. That is the 4. Then we have to do it again. 1, 2, 3, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As of this moment, we already solved the light blue, cream, and green. Then we have to turn it counterclockwise. This is already in correct position. Then this will be our last corner that we are going to solve. How? We are going to use the same formula, the 4 moves, 4 algorithms. We have to down, left, up, and right. Do it again. Down, left, up, right. That is the 4 moves. So we already been solved this corner. Then we have to twist this one in the correct orientation of colors. We already solved the Megaminx 2x2. If you don't know how to solve 3x3, do not attempt to solve this Megaminx 2x2. Okay guys, this is my alter ego. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to get updated of my next videos. Thank you for watching. To God be the glory. Happy cubing!